Very stuffy.
Okay.
So
We
we
have
guys.
strawberries right now.
Yeah, and I'm the special guest.
And this is my cousin. He's very, very smart.
Who said you're the special guest?
And guess what? He is going to third grade.
And he is.
Guess what grade I'm going to, guys?
Eighth grade.
Nope.
And I hope we're
Eighth grade. I'm
gonna
already in seventh grade.
hope we're gonna be in the same class again.
Because we're
And this is like Chile. Turn the camera.
Oh.
And this is
Wait. Oh my god, I do not hurt the puppy again.
and so like you guys saw a shower thing, but we're gonna make it.
Yeah, we're gonna eat first strawberries and then we're gonna show you how to take a bath with this little
But in
kitty.
a different way.
Yeah.
But you guys should know that we are kind of lazy, right? Sometimes.
And Samantha, Cassandra's sister,
Is cutting my strawberries.
so we can eat it. So
And I hope we had. I let me check if we had. And we don't even have chocolate syrup. Want some drink with them? Beto, go bring some cups from the. Bring two cups.
What?
We have drinks. Beto, stay here. I'm gonna go get it.
Y'all, these are the strawberries.
now we're gonna eat them.
I don't know if y'all can see that. Those are the strawberries.
And I'm gonna eat it right now.
Beto.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have
Ready?
some drinks. That taste us.
So let me taste it.
It's so good.
Samantha, ábrelo. But we're gonna bet them, but we're gonna have to wait.
Oh,
Wait till let's wait. Let's eat that one. We have to wait, okay? No more.
I'm eating this big one.
You eat that.
It's hurting my teeth right now.
How is it hurting your teeth?
By the coldness.
Wait though, which one do you want? This
Your
one
what?
or this one?
Wait.
Come on. Beto. Sam, can you carry the camera for us? Beto, we should have did this together. Bring it mixed up. Bring the puppy.
No, wait, Cassandra.
I'm ugly.
Okay.
Right?
We're gonna go with this one.
And sis, you can put the camera right here.
Yeah, we're gonna eat fries sauce.
Sis!
Damn, how long is this video on for?
Look a lot.
19 minutes.
No, 3 minutes.
Beto, which one's yours?
This is mine.
Do you want me to take the
No, which one's yours?
This is mine.
Dude.
No, puppy! Puppy!
Roxy!
You
Roxy!
named it Roxy?
Yeah.
Why?
No, I just named
Why did you name it Roxy?
I just named that I came up with.
No!
Did you say? What happened, Beto?
Nothing.
To her become the boss of you.
The video is going on.
Yeah, I'll put your head on. There.
And everything is so good.
It's so good that you're choking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that good?
I'm a best day ever.
Yeah, it's your best day ever.
also having a party, right?
Tomorrow.
Who said?
Robin's birthday.
Whose party? Ah!
My birthday.
Your birthday.
Your birthday? Just October.
Your birthday.
Come in the kitchen.
No, you have to make this. So let's go get the sauce and things.
But don't stay here.
Okay, I'm gonna stay with Roxy.
Dude, I got scared right now.
What?
Because I saw something.
He's on. He's gonna come with you. Where's the fidget spinner?
What's
I
it?
don't know.
Sam, give it back.
I don't have it.
Oh, here it is.
Not mine.
And he,
Wait, that she has two.
wait, can I see?
She has two. That's not fair.
I really want one. Mine broke.
She has two.
And
Sam.
Sandra has a fidget spinner. That's very cool. So we're gonna do that in the next video. So Roxy is yappily. I can't believe it. This is my best day ever. Okay, strawberries with drinking soda. Best day. Oh, sorry, Roxy. And Cassandra said, okay, I'm all alone. So. I'll be right back. Okay. I just went out because I thought I was like scared. So, Cassandra, let's do an update video. Let's do a video next of our fidget spinner.
My mom said to give you one, but my sister lost it.
So Roxy is on, and we're gonna take him back. We're gonna take him back, right? Right now.
No, but first we're gonna have to take you to a walk, right?
Yeah, let's take him for a walk. Okay. I'm gonna pause this video.
Should it cost us